Every week, we'll get at least 2 or 3 phone calls asking for a quotation for solar roof tiles. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about what solar tiles are and why they're being developed, as well as a bit about the technology and how it actually works. So what are solar tiles and where would you use them? Just like solar panels, solar roof tiles convert sunlight into electricity, but they're made to look just like traditional roof tiles. And when the main barrier to investing in solar PV is appearance, then PV tiles can be the perfect solution. The main advantage is aesthetics, which is particularly important when you're in a conservation area or an area of outstanding natural beauty. And while manufacturers are limited at the moment, they are gaining popularity, particularly in America, where standard roofs are replaced every 30 years or so. And this is important because it's a similar lifespan to solar PV, which makes a solar roof very appealing. Solar tiles are also stronger than typical roof tiles, and Tesla have a video on their website where they shoot a hailstone at 3 different tiles and prove that their solar tile is stronger than standard roof tiles. Their roof tiles happen to also be a lot lighter than standard tiles, about 50% of the weight. Unlike solar panels, you can't just swap out a couple of roof tiles here or there to install a solar tile roof. You need to replace the entire thing. Because of this, solar tiles are generally suited to new builds or renovations. The roof will be a mix of PV and dummy tiles, which look the same but don't generate electricity. These dummy tiles will cover unfavourable parts of the roof, like the north-facing aspect or any shaded surfaces. Basically, you wouldn't want to spend money on expensive PV tiles on any surface that isn't actually going to give you a good return on investment. For this reason, those considering getting solar roof tiles are often advised to wait until your existing roof is at the end of its life. Since you're installing a new roof anyway, why not get one that can repay your investment? Tile sizes and outputs do vary. However, Tesla's standard solar tile is 115 centimeters by 40 centimeters, and it has a rated output of 72 watt peak. When it comes to the UK, the main supplier of solar tiles has long been a company called GB Sol, which is based in Wales. They make bespoke systems and have a PV slate tile which is 60 centimeters by 30 centimeters and has a rated output of 30 watt peak. Now, both Tesla's tiles and GB Sol's tiles come with a 25-year warranty. And if you'd like to learn more about the different options for installing tiles in the UK, then please watch the video linked at the top of the screen now. But how do solar tiles actually work? Well, solar tiles are installed the same way that normal roof tiles are, although there are a few discrepancies depending on which brand you go for. Each tile has 2 MC4 connectors behind it, which connect to the adjacent tiles and allow them all to be strung together like a standard solar panel system would. The string then feeds back to an inverter, which inverts the current from DC to AC, which can be used in the house. Now, the maintenance requirements are really the same as standard solar panels in that you don't really need to maintain them as such, just clean them occasionally. And we usually recommend getting a local window cleaner to clean the solar system after the first pollen in the spring and summer months. But after a while, the weather will just clean them naturally. If you do start to notice drops in generation, then it's worth getting them cleaned. But in terms of electrical maintenance, then you don't need to worry about it unless something happens to go wrong. Now, we also have 3 other videos in this series on solar tiles, and those videos will be released in the next 48 hours. If you'd like to watch those, click the link at the top of the screen now. Thanks for watching, and please see the other videos in the series if you would like to learn more.